Hello guys, welcome to JMeter tutorial session 4. Today we are going to see about TestScript recorder. In JMeter we can easily capture all the request and its response from the browser. Let's check how to do that. I have launched JMeter. I have to add first thread group. Next I need to add non-test elements. In that we need to select HTTPS TestScript recorder. Next we have to add in thread group level logical controller. In that we need to select recording controller. That's it, we are good to go. And if you see here in TestScript recorder we have a config elements. Here if you see by default port is 8888. Here I am changing target controller to HTTPS TestScript recorder so that all the request it will be listed under TestScript recorder. Let's hit start button. It is asking us to install root certificate. What is root certificate? Let me show you that. This is the root certificate what we have to import in browser. It will be located inside Apache JMeter and inside bin folder. This is what we need to import to browser. I am copying this path. Next I am going to browser. Settings, options. Let me select certificate, view certificates. The certificates is not here, so I need to import JMeter certificate here. It is located inside JMeter, inside bin folder. It is asking two options, trust this CA to identify websites, and another one is identify email users. I am selecting only this option since we are going to test on the website. And moreover, this certificate is valid for 3 days only due to security purpose. Okay, I have imported certificate. Next I need to configure proxy. Settings. By default in browser it will be no proxy. We need to select manual proxy configuration. Here we have to type localhost. Localhost is nothing but it is IP address is loopback IP address 127.0.0.1. Let me show you that as well, where it used to be. Why we are typing localhost? This is what loopback IP address 127.0.0.1 mapped with localhost. Here we need to mention the same port number what was there in TestScript recorder, 8888. I am clicking OK button. Let's close the browser. Launching browser now. After configuration, if you try to browse something, it will not work because it depends on JMeter recorder. We have to start TestScript recorder. After that only browser it will start to respond to the internet sites. I am hitting start button now. Okay. Yes. I am typing demoblaze.com. This is site provided by BlazeMeter. Now we are getting response. I am stopping the recording now. if you see, we will have many requests under test script recorder. Let's expand. This is google.com. These requests not required for our case. I'm removing those. Here demoplace.com. Okay, here it is loading its CSS. Okay, these also not required for us, and JavaScript, this also not required. Modules, let me delete till over here. Let's move all of these requests under thread group. Right click, cut. Under thread group, I'm pasting it. Yes. Once after execution, we wanted to see the results as well, so I'm going to add listener view results tree. So let me execute now. Yes, it is executing all the requests. Let's see what is the response we have received. This is the response body for the first request. This is the response for the second. Likewise, we are seeing all the response. This recording feature is very useful, and it is creating a request and response which was performed in the browser. Hope you find this session helpful. Please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. If you have any comments, please feel free to share it in comment section. Thank you.